Hi everyone, welcome to Little Creative Thinkers YouTube channel. In this channel, we'll be teaching more of kids stuff, school projects or any other skill I would wish them to learn. But today we are going to do fixing of the nails, especially if you have an interview and you don't have money to go to the salon. So our tools of trade will be fake nails. You will require some nail glue, some olive oil, glitters. I usually love using Luron. It has genuine products. You'll also require olive oil to make the nails very strong. And also, if your nails are not growing well, actually you can dip them in hot olive oil and they'll grow very well. So you need to choose the nails. They usually have numbers, ranges from 0 to number 9. 9 is for the pinky. If you have a small pinky like mine. Number 0 is for those people with very big nails. But mine, I usually go with number 5. Number 5 is the one that fits my thumbnail. The pinky goes with number 8 or number 9. So you need to check the numbers and arrange them accordingly. You can also place them on the nails, on your nails, the fake nails on your nails, and see the one that will fit perfectly. After you've chosen, you arrange them in order so as to fix your nail in an easier way. So you can place the number. If you have chosen number 9, you can place it on top of the other 9 for the lights, for your right hand and your left hand. So you can just be picking them as you fix them on the nails. So when you're done choosing, you can return what you don't want in the paper. Remember, be very careful with the glue. It can really mess you up, and when it sticks on something, it doesn't come out easily. So you pick the glue, you apply on the nail, the fake nail. Also apply it on your nails, and then you press the nail you've applied glue for a few seconds. So press strongly for it to fit well. So pick the other nail. I decided to do left and right. I started with my thumb all the way to the pinky. As you can see, I've applied glue, and then glue on the nail, and then glue on my normal nail. Then press a bit for it to fix well. Continue all this way up to the pinky. And remember, don't forget to apply to the fake nail and your nail. That way it will help the nails to last for long. Mine usually goes for 2 weeks, and I do all the washing. I also do the dishes, and they still remain intact. But just in case one comes out, I usually have the glue with me. I buy in wholesale. Actually, it's cheaper. The whole of this process cost me around 150 to 200, because the fake nails costs around 50 shillings. 50 shillings, 100 bob, depending on where you're buying. But I usually buy them in bulk. A packet of nail, one color usually has around 20 to 24 nails. So now I'm doing my ring finger. You can see they are coming out nicely. This idea came up when one day I wanted to fix my nails. I was having my own function. I went to a salon, and this really did cost me. I paid 1,700 for a pedicure and manicure. That time I had to decide on way how to make things cheap. So after fixing all the nails, you now need to trim them. Ensure you've trimmed them to your required size. If you leave them too long, they will come out so easily. But the shorter they are, the longer they are going to last. The longer they are, the shorter they are going to last. Well, that's how they look after I've cut them. Now it's time to file. So use your desired shape. There are some who love box. You can see the nails are very strong, they are not even coming out. The good thing with this glue, it doesn't spoil the nails. There are some glues that are very bad. Some even cause infection. So be very careful when you're choosing. So after that, I have used the wipes, baby wipes, to wipe the fluffs from the nails before I apply my Q-Tex, the glitter Q-Tex. So the glitter Q-Tex makes them look nice and unique, and also it doesn't come out easily. Remember, these nails are colored already, they are colored, so you don't need to do gel on them. You don't need to do Q-Tex, the colored Q-Tex. You only need this one. You only need this one to make them shiny. Now look at the they came out pretty. Wow. So you can follow us on Facebook, you like, subscribe, and the bell will be notifying you when we post a new video. Thank you for watching. Bye.